Wealth, exploring why the rich love loans. Have you ever wondered why the wealthiest people in the world often embrace loans? Today, we're diving deep into this intriguing question and uncovering the secrets behind why the rich love leveraging debt. Trust me, you won't want to miss this. Hello, and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Let's get started. Data from the Federal Reserve shows that wealthy people actually end up borrowing a lot more money than the country's lowest earners. The top 1% of the population actually holds a whopping 4.6% of all debt, while the bottom 50% of the country only has 36% of outstanding debt. Meet Sarah. Sarah is a successful entrepreneur who owns multiple businesses. Despite her wealth, Sarah frequently takes out loans. Why? Well, it all started a few years ago when she was expanding her first company. Sarah had a brilliant idea for a new product line, but she needed additional capital to bring her vision to life. Instead of using her savings, she took out a loan. This allowed her to keep her cash reserves intact for unexpected challenges. First, let's talk about a fundamental concept: leverage. Wealthy individuals understand that leverage means using borrowed money to increase the potential return of an investment. By taking out loans, they can amplify their investment power without tying up all their capital. Imagine you have $1 million and you want to invest in real estate. Instead of buying one property outright, you take out loans and buy 5 properties, each worth $1 million. Now, instead of earning a return on $1 million, you're earning on $5 million. That's the power of leverage. Reason number 2, low interest rates. Wealthy individuals often have access to lower interest rates because they're seen as less risky by lenders. This makes borrowing money cheaper for them, allowing for more profitable investments. Reason number 3, tax advantages. Interest on loans, especially those used for business purposes, is often tax deductible. This means the wealthy can reduce their taxable income by deducting the interest they pay on loans, which effectively lowers their tax bill. Let's talk about reason number 4, opportunity cost. Wealthy people understand the concept of opportunity cost, the idea that every choice has a cost in terms of lost opportunities. By using loans, they can keep their own money invested in high-return opportunities rather than tying it up in one place. Reason number 5, inflation hedge. Borrowing money can also act as a hedge against inflation. If you take out a loan today and inflation rises, the real value of the money you have to repay decreases over time. This means you're effectively paying back less in real terms. Reason number 6, liquidity. Maintaining liquidity is crucial for the wealthy. By borrowing money, they keep their assets liquid and available for other investments or emergencies. It's all about having flexibility and options. Now, let's dive into reason number 7, asset protection. Using loans can help protect assets. For instance, in real estate, taking out a mortgage can shield the property from certain types of claims or liabilities, adding an extra layer of security. Reason number 8, business growth. Loans are essential for business expansion. Wealthy entrepreneurs use loans to scale their businesses faster than they could with just their own capital, allowing for greater growth and higher profits. Reason number 9, diversification. By using loans, wealthy individuals can diversify their investments across different asset classes, reducing risk and increasing the potential for returns. Diversification is a key strategy for maintaining and growing wealth. Reason number 10, leveraged buyouts. In the world of high finance, leveraged buyouts are a common strategy. Wealthy investors use loans to acquire companies, using the company's own assets as collateral. This allows them to control large businesses with relatively little of their own money. Reason number 11, credit building. Taking out and repaying loans helps build a strong credit history, which in turn provides access to even more favorable loan terms in the future. This cycle of borrowing and repaying strengthens their financial standing. Reason number 12, strategic risk management. Wealthy individuals often use loans as part of a broader risk management strategy. By spreading out their risk through borrowing, they can protect their overall wealth from potential downturns in any single investment. Reason number 13, leveraging expertise. Wealthy people often have access to top financial advisors and experts who guide them in making smart borrowing decisions. This expert advice maximizes the benefits and minimizes the risks of taking on debt. Reason number 14, real estate investments. Real estate is a favorite among the wealthy for using loans. Mortgages allow them to invest in high-value properties while keeping their cash free for other opportunities. And finally, reason number 15, long-term growth. Wealthy individuals view loans as tools for long-term wealth building. By strategically using debt, they can accelerate their financial growth and achieve their wealth goals faster. So, why do the wealthy embrace loans? It's all about leverage, tax benefits, diversification, opportunity cost, maintaining liquidity, and creating social impact. These strategies help them grow and protect their wealth while seizing new opportunities. What do you think is the most surprising reason? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep learning and growing.